Your hand's gonna fucking hurt.
Julie's about to beat the shit out of this.
What do you mean it's gonna be hurt? I can just fucking swing
Swing it!
at it.
I call that hit down.
There's another one.
Well, you got 3 tries to break that.
Come on! I won't probably break it at all. Clearing shit out so we can break the TV.
Dude, is my hand gonna fucking
1, 2, 3, swing! Sweat.
Come on, Julie, you have 1 more. 2 more. Shit's about to shatter. Holy fuck.
Damn.
There's 1 swing with Matt.
That fucking hurts.
And Nathan.
Come down on the sofa.
Alright. Yeah, that shit hurt my fucking. Let me break it more, man. Okay, let me do the fucking trick work.
That fucking hurts.
Let me do it 1 time.
Here. Watch out. Julie. Fucking stepped on the cord whenever I was throwing it. You better break this one fucking good, Julie. Oh! I told you you gotta squeeze hard. Move, Nathan.
That feels so good. Let me get some. Oh no, this shit is not fucking dead. Look at over the other side.
Alright, you gotta let me hit that little one. Here, Jack, get this. You gotta see your facial expressions on that shit. Here.
That shit feels good.
You know, I popped my elbow out of socket.
No.
That shit hurt.
Julie is in pain from fucking elbow shit. Say hi, Julie.
No, for real, you're on my elbow. Hit that shit like a man, bitch. Pussy, come on. I'm giving you fucking.
Woo! Harder.
Fucking.
I want to hit it 1 more time. Just because I want to.
Don't fuck with us, yo. Your face will look like that. And your face will look like that. Alright, peace out.